the popular Roborock Q5 and the MAMNV robot vacuum claim to handle vacuuming and mopping, but which one actually delivers and which one is just hype? First, suction power and cleaning performance. Let's talk suction, because if a vacuum can't handle crumbs, pet hair, or dirt, the rest doesn't really matter. The Roborock Q5 boasts 5,500 PA suction, while the MAMNV has just 2,300 PA. That's a massive difference, but the difference is mitigated by the MAMNV's two side brushes. This is a feature I was really surprised to see on a low-cost vacuum, since up till now I've only seen it on higher-end models. It does make a difference. With double side brushes, all debris is pushed to the center, allowing the vacuum to pick up just as well as the Roborock. And although neither of these vacuums is perfect, they both make things quite a bit cleaner. And one more feature of the MAMNV that I love is that it's so small and low to the ground. It can get places the Roborock can't, like under low-profile furniture and between chair legs. 2. Mopping capability. Now, vacuuming is only half the battle. What about mopping? Both the Roborock Q5 and the MAMNV's mops are very basic, essentially just dragging a damp cloth across the floor and re-wetting it with the built-in water tank. Neither have carpet detection, so if you've got rugs or carpets, you're going to need to remove the mop before it ventures there. The Roborock does have a slightly larger mop and seems to do a more complete job of mopping than the MAMNV, which can definitely leave streaks if it goes over something sticky. 3. App control and mapping. Here was the deal breaker for me. The Roborock Q5 uses advanced LiDAR mapping to create an accurate map of your home. You can set no-go zones, schedule cleanings for specific rooms, and even customize suction by area, giving me pretty much all the functionality of a much more expensive vacuum and making sure to cover every inch of my home. The MAMNV's app is, well, it exists. There isn't any mapping, and it instead relies on a bump-and-go strategy reminiscent of early Roombas, and the control options are very limited. I have an open concept home, and the MAMNV approach just doesn't cut it with this kind of setup if I want to make sure my robot gets the entire area. The Q5 wins here by a mile. So, while the Roborock is the clear winner for my home, I think the MAMNV could be a great choice for people with smaller or more enclosed spaces, especially when it's the less expensive vacuum. There are links in the description if you want to check out either of these. Please like and subscribe for more home product reviews.